Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the Auto Screenshot Deleter on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this one is one of the most smartest cleanup tools yet. So screenshots are automatically deleted after a set time, maybe a few minutes later, a few hours later, or a few days later. So let me show you the app first. So the app is called Mark. I'll leave a link in the description down below. If you go ahead and tap on this, you can go ahead and configure all this: screenshot deletion time, your refill. Of course, this is not a free app, so after 40 days, I need to pay for it. And then you can go ahead and do this extra time chip. So this premium feature will provide extra time chips, which will allow more flexibility in scheduling screenshot deletion. However, I just want to go ahead and use this screenshot deletion time. So let's just say, for example, I took a screenshot. This will tell you that you've taken a screenshot. After how many minutes you want to go ahead and delete it? 10 minutes, 2 hours, 3 days, or you want to keep it forever? So you can go ahead and choose 10 minutes. Now, after 10 minutes, that particular screenshot will be deleted from your phone. So this keeps your storage clutter-free automatically. No more manually cleaning up after sharing screenshots. And this is great for privacy, as these temporary screenshots disappear on their own. So this is perfect for users who take a lot of screenshots daily. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the Auto Screenshot Deleter on your Samsung Galaxy device.